Care homes have been at the centre of the COVID-19 pandemic here in Scotland, and you as care home workers, you've been understandably fearful, whether that be of infection yourselves or of potentially transmitting infection to those that you're caring for when you're asymptomatic and so you don't know you're infected, or because you're not getting the support that you so deserve from your employer or from the enforcement authorities. Here at the Workplace Health and Safety charity Scottish Hazards, we can provide you with the advice and assistance that you need if you do not have trade union support. Now, while we're clear that trade union workplaces are safer workplaces, we understand that there are those of you out there, not currently trade union members, who are in need of support. So if you're feeling undue pressure or stress, please let us help, because collective effort is most often more effective than you having to tackle an issue alone. It may be you have concerns about the effectiveness of control measures that have apparently been put in place to minimise the risk of infection, or about denial of access to risk assessment documentation. It may be that you're worried about the provision or the lack thereof of appropriate PPE or training, or that you've got concerns about safe staffing levels, or because you're being pressured to live on the premises. Also, we know there remain concerns about access to testing, whether that be of yourself, of colleagues, agency workers or residents. And we're all too aware that there are those who are feeling pressured to attend work despite concerns that they have potentially been exposed to the virus, whether within or out with care home environment itself. Now, those pressures, they may be financial because of the levels of sick pay that are on offer, or because your employer is actively discouraging you from going to be tested. If you need support to do what you know you need to do, please get in touch. As has been said by Andy Watterson of the University of Stirling, if you do not protect the workforce in a pandemic, you do not protect the public. If we can help protect you, that in turn helps you protect those that you're caring for, but also your own families, who themselves want you to go home every day safe and healthy. So if you're a care home worker, or in fact, if you're the family of a care home worker who sees the struggles that your loved one faces day in, day out, please give us a call on 0800 0015 022, email us at info@scottishhazards.org, contact us via a private message on our Facebook or Twitter feed, and we will get you the advice and support that you need to help you stop facing this alone and help to stop this pandemic at work.